Any good hackathon is powered by coffee. It is day 2 of Fuse 2015. The houses are coming together for a quick breakfast this morning. And today's agenda starts at about 9 o'clock with a bunch of coding up until lunchtime. Then we have lunch on our own. So I'm hoping to get some behind the scenes looks at what developers have in store and what are creating here at Fuse 2015. And then after lunchtime is some free activities. So with good coding, needs some time to play and relax. After that, followed by a dinner with everybody, and then coding some more. So I hope to give you some previews and some highlights of what some of the different developers are doing here at Fuse 2015. Shh! Developers are coding. Certainly, garages are useful for parking cars, but they're also useful for coding. We are deep in the middle of day 2 of Fuse 2015. There are a number of men and women developing here in the Fuse house. I'm not getting any top secret inside information about what people are doing, what they're developing for the APIs. I think we're just going to have to wait until day 3 to figure out what everybody is creating. And only those who develop great solutions for advisors will win those coveted paddles from Fuse 2015. We are just finishing a great day of mountain biking during our free time at Fuse 2015. Now it's time to clean up and go for an all developer and all judge dinner. Looking forward to wrapping up day 2 at Fuse 2015. I don't know how he did it, but Brian McLaughlin got a parking spot right in front of the restaurant. Thanks for coming out to dinner tonight, guys. I think it's been fantastic. It's been great. It is 9:45 on Friday night, dinner's over, but these developers are still coding. I give them a lot of credit because I wasn't able to get a lot of inside information about what they're creating, and tomorrow morning is the awards ceremony and all the presentations. That's what we're all waiting for, so I hope you tune in for day 3 to figure out who wins the top prize at Fuse 2015.